This folding aluminum hand truck from Strongway is extra lightweight yet strong enough to carry 600 pounds. Get ultimate control from the dual-handled design and easily haul loads with the built-in crossbar. Roll it all smoothly on 8-inch flat-free wheels. With protective fenders that prevent loads from rubbing. Get lightweight yet durable strength from the aluminum and plastic construction. Pack it up for easy transport and storage by folding the wheels and platform flat. Get lightweight strength to carry 600 pounds with this folding aluminum hand truck from Strongway. Only at Northern Tool.